The switch function is one of the logical functions in Excel. The switch function allows you to compare an expression to a list of values and return the corresponding result. To illustrate how to use the switch function, let's look at an example. Here we have a list of topics. Let's use the switch function to return a specific website for each topic. To get started, let's begin by entering the switch command. As you can see, the switch function takes a series of parameters. The first parameter you must enter is the expression that you will compare to a list of values. In this example, let's enter A2 as our expression. Cell A2 contains the value Minecraft. The next parameters we will need to enter is a list of values and their corresponding result. Each of the values will be compared to the expression, and once the first value is found that matches the expression, the corresponding result will be returned. You can enter one or more of these result value pairs. In this example, we will enter 2 pairs. For the first pair, we will enter Excel and techonthenet.com. For the second pair, we will enter Minecraft and digminecraft.com. The third parameter is optional. It is the default value to return if the expression was not found in the previous list of values. In this example, we will enter a default value of unknown. Now that we have entered all of the parameters for the switch function, let's complete the command to look at our result. You should see the value digminecraft.com appear in cell C2. This is the website that is paired with the topic of Minecraft. Now let's copy our formula into cells C3 and C4. Each of these cells now contain the corresponding switch value for its topic. In cell C3, you should see the value techonthenet.com. This is the value returned by the switch function when the topic is Excel. And finally, in cell C4, you should see the value unknown. Since the topic weather is not found in the list of values in the switch function, the default value of unknown is returned. This completes our example of how to use Excel's switch function. If you would like to see more switch examples, or would like to download the sample data we used for this tutorial, please visit our website at techonthenet.com. If you found our tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel tutorials.